Okay, this is the next one which we have in reading the humanities versus sciences lesson, the first prose lesson of your third semester English language through literature. And we have this passage given, and this passage most probably has been asked for you in the exams. So I thought like I can give you the answers for this. You can easy well write it in your exams for the prose comprehension part, because we don't have essay and all. We are supposed to only write the prose comprehensions. Okay, so let's begin to read. First I want to you all to read well. That is the reason I am again and again trying to only give it to you in English. I don't want to translate it into Tamil. Many I could see translations. I don't want Tamil translations. I want my children to improve English. That is the reason university has introduced this. So if you have any doubts in pronunciation and all, you can easily rewind my pronunciation of the word and try to follow it, read it loud and repeat it. Okay, so let's check into the lesson. National education does not mean that subjects like physics and chemistry, engineering and technology change with the boundaries of nations. It means that there is a national heritage, a tradition of values into which the students should be initiated. So here India is not a geographical abstraction but a living spirit. The outlook associated with the country has been spiritual one, that that there are higher laws of universe than those studied by science and technology, that the world is more than what we see, feel, touch, and measure. Two principal features of the modern world are that we are members one of another, that there is no degree of God or man which compels us to be sick and hungry, poor and unemployed. The strong shall help the weak is the foundation of all civilized existence. So very clearly this paragraph is taken for you, and it's given as a worksheet for you in your book. So I thought I can give you some answers, but you have to just make it up very clear that I've just written in pencil. Like you can rewind it and you can then and there try to get your answers and learn it for your exams. Okay, so the first question, what according to the author is a national education, does it differ with countries? So here you can write national education policy mean that subjects like chemistry, physics and technology do not change with the boundaries of nation. Okay, does it differ with countries? No, they do not change with the boundaries. They are all same. So that you can write. And what is the important integrate values with education? Why is it important to integrate values with education? The national heritage and the tradition of values combine to show the spiritual integration. So it is very important that we should integrate values with education. So you just try to complete the answer with the beginning of the sentence which has been written for you. Imagine you are the highest authority in education in the nation. Write at least 3 changes you would bring. So I would give equal education to all and start many institutions, and even you can try to say that I will see to that everybody is given education free of cost, and even you can say that more and more educational institutions I could open so that everybody will be given education. So such kind of answers you can write. What are the 2 principal features of the modern world that the author mentions? So that is no degree. He mentions that there is no degree of God or man. The strong shall help the weak. Okay, so the 2 principles are there is no degree, that there is no kind of changes which you meant to say over here or state over here, and he says that the strong shall help the weak. So what is the last thing he writes? The text by the Radhakrishnan is more than 50 years old. Do you think the education system in our country has changed? Yes, it has changed. This text is very much old only, but it has changed. Not much, but a little. So the importance is given to value-based educational system. So you should one thing which you can update over here is we need value-based educational system to be updated, and you can some more add your own points to make your answer very glossy. Thank you, students.